So welcome to all for the course of refrigeration and air conditioning. So in previous video we have discussed about the properties of refrigerant. Now in this video we are going to learn about designation of refrigerants. So all the refrigerants are designated by the symbol R followed by some unique number. So let's first of all we'll focus on designation of saturated and halogenated compounds. So these are the refrigerants which are the derivatives of alkanes. Now that refrigerants are designated by symbol or by the letter R, then some numbers XYZ. Where in that number if x plus 1 deleted at place x, so x plus 1 indicate the number of carbon atoms, then y minus 1 indicates number of hydrogen atoms, z indicate the number of fluorine atoms present in that refrigerant, and the remaining balance indicates the number of fluorine atoms. If there are only two digits after R, then that indicates that value of X is 0. Now we will take one example, then it is clear to you how to give the numbering or designation to the refrigerant. So let's take example of R22. Now here after R there are only two digits. They are not three digits. Three digits are not available. Only two digits are available after R. So here X is 0, Y is 2 and Z is 2. So X is 0. So number of carbon atom equal to X plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, so equal to 1. So number of carbon atoms in the refrigerant R22 is 1. Then Y is equal to 2. It indicates that number of hydrogen atoms present in the refrigerant equal to Y minus 1. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So only one hydrogen atom present in R22. Then Z is equal to 2 indicate number of fluorine atoms present in that refrigerant, that is equal to 2. So Z is equal to indicate number of fluorine atoms. And the remaining balance, so this is formula 4 minus number of hydrogen plus fluorine atoms. So it is equal to 4 minus number of hydrogen atom equal to 1 minus number of fluorine atom equal to 2. So 4 minus 1 minus 2, that indicate 1. So 1 indicate number of fluorine atoms present in that refrigerant. So therefore we write chemical formula for R22. So C, only one carbon atom, then only one hydrogen atom H, then chlorine atom equal to 1 and fluorine atoms are 2. So chemical formula for R22 equal to CHClF2. CHClF2. This is the chemical formula for R22. So similar process you apply for refrigerant R12 and R134A. Then you get the chemical formula for R12 equal to CClF2, and for R134A the chemical formula is C2H2F4, where the letter A in R134A stands for isomer. It is molecule having same chemical composition but different atomic arrangement. So जैसे हमने R22 के लिए फाइंड किया है, सिमिलरली यू फाइंड फॉर R12 एंड R134A. Now the next category of refrigerant is inorganic refrigerants. So these are designated by the number 7 followed by its molecular weight of the refrigerant. For example, if you take ammonia, the molecular chemical formula of ammonia is NH3. So molecular weight of ammonia is 17, means 14 for nitrogen plus 3 for hydrogen, so comes 17. So then ammonia is, designation for ammonia is R, so 7, then molecular weight. So R717 is for ammonia. Similarly for carbon dioxide, molecular weight is 44, So designation for carbon dioxide is R744. Then for water, molecular weight is 18 H2O, 16 plus 2, so 18. The designation is R718. So this is the designation for inorganic refrigerant like ammonia, carbon dioxide and water. The next category is mixtures. If you add two or more refrigerant, then new refrigerant is formed. So isotropic mixtures are designated by 500 series, where geotropic refrigerants are designated by 400 series. So here azeotropic mixture, for example R500. So R500 is mixture of R12 73% and R152A 26%. Then R502 is mixture of R22 48.8%, R115 51.2%, R503 is mixture of R23 40%, R13 59.9%. Similarly, R507A is a mixture of R125 50% and R143 50%. So these are called as azeotropic refrigerants. Similarly, next category is geotropic refrigerants. For example, R404A, it is geotropic refrigerant. So it is mixture of R25 44% and R143A 52% and R134A 4%. Then R407A, which is a mixture of R32 20%, R125 40% and R134A 40%. Next R407B, which is mixture of R32 10%, R125 70% and R134A 20%. Similarly, R410A, which is mixture of R32 we take 50% and R125 50%. So these are the examples of geotropic refrigerants. Next category of refrigerants are called as hydrocarbons. So these are the example of hydrocarbon. For example, propane C3H8. The name of propane is R290. N-butane R600, isobutane R600A. Then unsaturated hydrocarbon, example is R1150 or R1270. So this is about the designation of refrigerants. So thank you for listening. Next video we will take the last point of unit number 1, that is comparison and the list of refrigerants that being replaced or their replacement. So thank you for listening.